Good morning students, Sairam. Welcome back in your social science class. So students, today in our social science class, we are not going to study anything. What we are going to do? We are going to discuss about project. Project for summer holidays. You all must be thinking, what is a project of summer holidays? So here is the answer. Here project work for summer holidays. What you have to do? You have to make a PowerPoint presentation on any three temples of Uttarakhand. I am repeating, this is your project work of social science. PowerPoint presentation on any three temples of Uttarakhand. As you all know that our Uttarakhand is blessed with many temples. We have more than 100 temples in our state. So you can choose any three temples, collect the information about it and make your presentation beautiful, attractive and worthy. So let me tell you how to make a presentation. So in this slide or video, I am going to discuss and I am going to tell you the slides also how to make a presentation. Let's start our PowerPoint presentation. So the first slide which you have to make is this project. What you have to make first in first slide? Project. In second slide, you have to write Standard 6 Social Science Project. What you have to write in second slide? Standard 6 Social Science. Or you can also write Social Science Project. Now, in third slide, this is our third slide. In third slide, you have to write name, roll number, class along with division and school. So, like Anshul Khanna, like this, roll number. Now don't worry student, because you don't know your new roll numbers, so you have to mention your previous roll number, okay, your previous class roll number. Now class 6th A, 6th B, school, your school name, okay, clear, name, your name, roll number, previous class roll number, class / division, 6th A, 6th B and your school name Bhagirathi Vidyalaya. Now next slide. In next slide what you have to write? Topic. What is the topic? Temples of Uttarakhand. What is the topic? Temples of Uttarakhand. Now you have to move on to the another slide. The another slide is index. Index means the information. What is index? The information. Various temples of Uttarakhand. So as we have various temples of Uttarakhand, so you have to make a presentation on any three temples of Uttarakhand. So here you can write the name of the temples on which you are going to make a presentation. For example, Kedarnath, Badrinath, Mata Vaishno Mata Mansa Devi temple. Like this you can write any three temple names on which you are going to make a presentation. Okay. Now any three topics. So here I have given you some examples of temples. Either you can choose any three topics from these examples, or it is not compulsory. You can choose from outside also. Here I have written Kedarnath temple, Tungnath temple, Badrinath temple, Baleshwar temple, Champavat, Katarmal Sun temple, Mahasu Devta temple, Triungi Narayan temple, Ma Mansa Devi temple. So if you want, you can choose any three topics from these 7 topics, or You can take any other temples because we have many temples in Uttarakhand. Now, steps to be followed. What you have to do to make a presentation. Step 1. First of all, collect images from Google. Collect images from Google. Everybody know how to collect images? In the search column of Google, you have to write the name of that temple, and with that there will be many images. You have to collect the images from Google. One sample is here. See, Badrinath temple, one of the most reserved Hindu shrine. Like this you can collect various temple images. Now, if you have taken one temple image, along with that you can write the information also. Now, step 2, arrange the images in Google Slide or PowerPoint. Now students, those who are having laptop or desktop at their home, they can make the presentation of PowerPoint, but those who don't have laptop and desktop at home, they can also make presentation on their touch phone or Android phone on which you are watching these lessons. How? What you have to do? You have to download this icon which I am showing you, Google Slide, from Play Store. Okay, so this is very important because I know maybe you are not having desktop or laptops at your home. So in your touch phone, Android phone, you can download this Google Slide from the Play Store and you can make your presentation on that also. Now, first of all, I am going to tell you how this Google Slide works. Then we will continue our presentation. So student, here is our Google Slide. Touch it. Now I have already have many presentation, but I am teaching you how to make a new presentation on Google Slide. Now as you can see this plus sign, touch this plus sign. Now new presentation. Okay, touch this new presentation icon. Now you can see by double tap you can write anything here, like I am writing project. Okay, you can delete it. Now if you want to increase a font size, so touch on this A button. By this increasing button you can increase the font size, or by this decreasing one you can decrease the font size. Student, text color. See the text color, you can see here text color. Whatever text color you want to use, you can use the text color. You can see basic, theme, purple you can take, blue, here grey, light green, red. You can choose any text color. Now I am choosing this. Now I am writing project. Now you can see. Okay. Now one more feature we have. If you want to change the theme, you want to make your presentation more beautiful, so you can touch these three topmost button. Now you can see change theme. Touch on that. Now see, there are many themes are here. According to your wish, you can choose this. You want to change? Okay, you can choose this. You want to change? You can choose this. Okay, now how to add one more slide? Again, for example, this is my first slide. Here I am writing project. Okay, now I want to make another slide. Now again I have to add this button. You can see here this button. Now choose a slide. Basically here we have many types of slide. You can choose according to your writing work like this. Here you can write topic and main work. Again I am telling you, with this button you can increase or decrease your font size. This is B. B stands for bold, I stand for italic, and U underline stand for underline. So by these features you can use anything. Now one more important point I want to tell you. For example, you have to put an image in your slide. How to put an image in your slide? So as I told you, first of all you have to search the images from the Google. Then you have to put your image in this slide. For that you have to click on this add button. This is the add button. I have already one picture. I am showing you how to do this. Okay, now I am touching this add button. Now you can see there are many options here. Now here image option. Now I am going to touch this image option. Now from camera, but you are not using anything live. So from photo I am going to take one image. So as I can take one image, okay, I have this image Google. So now Google, you want to decrease the size of image, decrease. You want to increase the size of image, increase. But for this you have to Google your images before making presentation. Okay, so like this you can make the presentation. Now see, now you want to rename your presentation. Here with the help of these three buttons, here is a rename. You can give the name, anything you want to give, and your presentation will remain itself. So this is the way you can use the Google Slides, those who are not having laptop and desktop at your home. Again I am telling you, Google Slide you have to download from Play Store. So don't worry student, all of you have Android phones at your home. So use the Android phone to make your presentation. Let's continue our presentation steps. So now I have told you how to operate in Google Slides. Now our step number 3 is collect the information on your topic. Like if you have taken Kedarnath, so you have to write about the Kedarnath, like what, where it is situated, how it is formed, when it is formed. So all the information according to your first chapter of your history, what, where, how and when, you have to collect the information on the topic. Now step number 4, make presentation of 8 to 10 minutes using effects and animation. Okay, so those who are using laptops and desktop, they can use the transitions, they can use the sound effects, and to make the presentation more attractive. Now step number 5, save it and give an appropriate name to your presentation. Like what name you will give? You have to give your name along with your class and division, like Anshul Khanna 6th A. Okay, so save it and give an appropriate name to your presentation. And the last step, submit when school reopens. So now don't be confused what to do with this presentation. Submit when school reopens. Now this is the last but a very important step. Now student, what you have to do? Bibliography. You have to write bibliography. Now what is this? In this you have to mention all the websites from where you have collected your images and information, like Google, Wikipedia, and each and every website. So what you have to do here? You have to write the information from where you have to collected the images and information regarding your topic. I hope you all have understood the project work properly and there will be no confusion regarding your PowerPoint presentation. And students, during the summer breaks, enjoy your summer breaks. Be at home, learn at home, do your project works in all subjects, be safe. Sign students.